male driver in that vehicle. Terminate. Terminated. Just crashed. Hands up! Hands up! Hands up!
Watch crossfire! Crossfire! Watch a crossfire! Face away from us!
Don't move! Walk backwards. Walk backwards.
Face away! Face away! Face away! Face away from us!
Walk backwards. Backwards. Face away.
Keep walking backwards! Keep walking back! Walk back! Walk backwards! I don't think anybody else was in
We're
there.
in clear.
I don't know if it's still in drive, so careful.
It's in reverse. Going in there.
It's in reverse, so careful. On you?
Shut my door.
Anything in your bra or anything like that? No. Anything's gonna stick me, poke me, hurt me?
I'm scared. I told my boyfriend to take the drugs.
Take a breath.
Yeah, take a deep breath for us.
Left him in the, I
You're in
didn't
the
even,
safest place you can be right now, okay?
I didn't even know it, dude. I told him to get him off the car.
We're not worried about the drugs right now.
What are you worried about?
The amount of people that
whose
you just
car
put in
is
danger.
this? Whose car? Can I throw her in here for now?
Where's the drugs?
He said it was in a green and blue bag.
Fleeing from the police turns a routine stop into a severe felony instantly. Not only did she steal the vehicle, but by choosing to run and causing massive property damage, she stacked multiple serious charges against herself. And trying to throw her boyfriend under the bus for the drugs in the trunk, that won't save her from the primary charges of fleeing an officer and auto theft.
I'm gonna throw you in here.
I'm scared. Can you talk to me? How many?
Yeah,
what am I looking
Hey,
at?
we'll figure it all out.
What charges am I looking at?
We'll
ma'am?
figure it out.
Can I please smoke a cigarette?
Not right now.
Please.
Thank you.
Please, ma'am, can I please just smoke a cigarette?
Not right now. Nope, not right this second, okay? We'll get stuff sorted out, okay?
Can I smoke a cigarette before I go in?
Possibly. We'll see what happens, okay? That's kind of a
102 to car.
Are you injured at all? What's your name? Mariah?
89 cent alcohol.
Can I smoke a cigarette, sir?
Not in my car. I'll get in trouble.
Can I step out real quick?
Not in my car right now.
What's your first name, ma'am? You said Mariah?
Mariah.
M-A-R-I-A-H?
Yes, ma'am. I'm
Do you have-
looking at a long time in my...
I don't know. I'm not a judge. We can make sure that you're okay and you're safe and other people are safe. That's our job right now, okay? So we need to just get some information from you. We'll go from there, okay?
What is going on, though? Why
You're
would...
under arrest.
For what, though?
What are you losing right now, okay? Just hold on.
A stolen car!
Okay, Mariah. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. Mariah, we'll figure it
Mariah.
Dude, I'm gonna kill this mother...
Mariah, we'll figure it out.
Listen. Right now, we just make sure that...
A stolen car! Dude!
Maybe I misspoke.
No, can I talk?
find out.
We'll sort it out, Mariah. We'll sort it
We'll
out.
give the names to who...
You ever heard your name first?
Just, we'll start with your... Do you have a middle initial? Figure it out. We'll figure it out.
stolen
We'll figure it out. He might have misspoke. We'll look into it. He might have misspoke.
A stolen car.
We'll figure it out. Mariah, what's your middle name? Perfect. All right, just give me 1 second. Let me touch base with a couple of my partners. We'll figure it out. Nope, not right now.
Sorry.
All of a sudden, she's getting out, she's running in her bra, and then she's like, never mind. Gets into the.
I did not think she was gonna take off.
I was like, oh, same.
I put this. So as she's turning, so I put the sticks out. I was like, hey, stop. I didn't get in the way. I was just like, just in case. And all of a sudden, she punched it. I was like, holy shit! Did not see that going.
I was gonna light it up earlier, but I couldn't tell if the car that turned on 51st was stopping or was going to something else.
I'm trying to decide if I should set up sticks at the school.
You should have seen us. You didn't know. I was like, she's so close, but she's only by herself. I'm like,
say 2.
Yeah, yes, 2.
Go for 2.
All right.
She's not on file, I guess.
Okay, you guys, you're working on search, right? Okay.
There's nothing.
Nothing.
We'll
Is it nothing?
Nothing. Everybody, we all search.
Alright, should we put this in there?
I don't know if this has drugs in it, but it's got paraphernalia.
If it looks like drugs, you can just stop, and we'll just pack it up. This is in the trunk, I believe. We'll verify with Austin, but I think that's paraphernalia for sure. That was Austin. That bag was in the trunk.
It was in the spare tire compartment.
All right, so this is in the trunk. You got that. I'll try to find some bags.
Lansky saw it because he was searching there. That's why I don't know if he saw it.
We'll do it. We'll do another check.
Do you know boyfriend's name?
People
Not yet.
Sounds like he might be a dealer. Boyfriend?
Just to clear things up. Yeah, I did see some people turn over. I did not hear the termination call until it was put out again. We were at 4700 block. Right there, I was over the curb, and right before he called out that another crash here, I saw her losing control and the smoking everywhere. I saw this, and he called out like another crash here, right here. We were still moving because we thought
you didn't hear the first part.
Yeah,
I heard
definitely
the transmission or two after the termination from Dan, and then Dan got on and said terminate again.
So it wasn't.
When I said I'm terminated, I just stopped, turned my lights off, like right by boot, with that boot connection. Yeah. And then once I saw her like over here, then I was like, go crash again, because I saw all of a sudden the tire just.
Yeah, I was just over the curb there, so like 4600 block, or the hill, and I saw her like losing it, and it was real low to the ground, and I saw a bunch of smoke. Then all of a sudden I saw it cut this way, and I was like, oh, we're not coming, and then you called out for the crash. Just to be clear. All right, thanks.
Somebody to follow you back?
Sure. Yes, please. Thank you. Is your seatbelt on? Okay. Just try to keep it across your chest. Just to. Can you sit back, please? All right. Thank you.
The handcuffs.
I know, but there's a little spot down here. We're gonna try to keep your hands down here with a little groove. We'll get you out of these handcuffs right away.
I don't want to take the blame for his shit, dude.
All right. Let's get you out of these handcuffs. Let's get you out of these handcuffs. Ooh, stinks.
In the end, she was found guilty of fleeing an officer, resulting in property damage, and operating a vehicle without consent. The judge didn't hold back. She was sentenced to 4 years in prison, 5 years of extended supervision, and ordered to pay over $7,700 in restitution. Was the joyride worth 4 years behind bars? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit subscribe. See you next time.